Playwright agents is here. So now the Playwright agents can plan, generate, and heal your tests. Let's take a look how that works. All right, let's start by initializing the Playwright agent. So npx playwright init agents -- loop. Because I'm using VS Code, so I'll type VS Code, which will create 3 chat modes, one for generator, another for healer, third for planner, and it will create an MCV file and a seed file. Seed file is something that you use before you start testing. For example, if you want to create cookies or do some sort of fixed test stuff, you'll define that in the seed file. I don't need to do it because I will be writing a test for login. And let's just delete these 2 files. I don't need this. I don't need the login file. So you can see my test folder is completely empty. Now I'm going to click this magic icon, which will start the chat. And here, instead of agent, I have got 3 chat modes, which is planner, generator, and healer. So I will select the planner mode. And because I love helping AI, I'm going to add a context of my login.prom. What is login.prom? It is basically telling how to write the test, just some information so that it doesn't go haywire, because without any instructions or prompts, what I've seen is it just starts writing tests for everything. So you need to limit it to a certain context. So that's what it is. You can write it in a chat as well. So create the test plan. I don't need to give more instructions because I've already given the file that is needed to create the test plan. Otherwise, you would write create a test plan for practicesoftwaretesting.com with this information and that information. So as you can see, it will read the value from secret.environment where needed, and is creating edge cases, and like it goes above and beyond of what is required. So I will copy this test plan in a better format, which is more readable. So here it says it will generate tests for all these scenarios: successful authentication, dashboard verification, and whatnot. So I only want it for one particular test, which is login, locate, sudden link. I'm going to delete everything else just to demo it in this video. And I will go back to the chat and select generator instead of the planner, and I will ask it to use the context of the test plan actually. So I have already opened test plan, so it can use the test plan. Do the magic. There should be music over here, but I'm not great at that editing and music, and there are music rights that we have to apply for, so we'll just keep it to that. So it has created a file. It says now I have implemented the scenario. Let's copy it. So new file, login.spec.ts. So I'm going to run this command again and see if that works. It opens the browser, goes to practice software testing, and it says the test has passed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the test. Instead of sign in, I'm going to say Uncle Arrow, and I will open the chat. I will go to the healer and I will say my test is not working. But before that, because it's red green refactor, I will rerun the test. There you go, the test failed. Now I'm going to say my test is not working. Healer, do something about it. Immediately it notices the issue. Text Uncle Arrow is incorrect. So the healer can understand what's the issue with the test. It will tell you how to fix it. And as soon as you change this, your test is healed.